Mel's Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before. Hi, if this is your first time, got an unboxing. First of all, I've lit my candle, my starlight. For anybody that needs prayers, thoughts or positivity, know that somebody's got a candle lit for you. I'll just put that over there out the way. Got my scissors to open my package. I've got my drink, hot juice, summer fruit. Because it's gone lunchtime and I haven't had any yet. So I thought I'd better have a drink. So this is the box. Yes, it could be on the big side, but again, it tells you on the back how to do it, what your contents are, which is a premium velvet tarpaulin canvas, which is soft as a Berber's bull, colour-coded resin diamonds, magic diamond applicator, a wax pad and a craft tray. And then you see all the sparkles on it, and then turn it over. Can you see what it is? You can see what it is. It tells you around diamonds. It would be square if it was squares, and that's what I got. Look, can you see it? My first ever Mandy Manzano diamond painting. It's 29.1 inches by 21.7 inches, or 74 centimeters by 55 centimeters, and it says it's got ABs. I don't know if that means it's AB4 dots of it, I don't know. But yeah, my first Mandy Mandana. And look what it is though. Can you see what it is? Can you see? Can you see? Oh, hang on. If I put it that way, you can see it better. Silly thing. Look at tails. This is what I'm going to do for my Anything Mermaid along. Because I'm Gemini. And I've wanted this one for so long. Oh God, I've wanted this one for so long. Because I'm being a Gemini. And I never very often find a Gemini print that I like. And I've loved this one. So I thought, that's it. I'm getting it. I meant to get it now. So I got it. And I'm so pleased. And I can't wait. So I cannot wait. So excited. How's everybody's day going? It's a cloudy day today. It doesn't know what it wants to do. But it isn't raining and it isn't snowing. So that's two good things. It's supposed to come into rain, but all exclusive, see back for contents. Okay, should we open it? Right. We're just going to pull it all out. No right way or wrong way. Just give it a shake. Like that. Make sure I don't set anything on fire. You have got your colour list or index chart or whatever you want to call it. 39 colours. And it has 2 ABs that I can see of, which is 208 and 129. So I don't even know what AB4 means. Don't know. But isn't she beautiful? Or are they beautiful, I should say. So good. I do like that. That's be nice in a frame on its own. I might actually do that, frame that and put it in my bedroom. Then we've got the little sticker. As I said before, if you've not seen it, a lot of people, if they're not going to do it, they'll take the sticker off and they'll put it on the end of the box so that when they stack the boxes, they know what's in it without having to look at the front. Or if you do, you've got, you're efficient and you write all about your diamond paintings in a book, you can put that in your book. Oh, it says there, look. Use it to organise your stashed kit. Place it in your logbook or anywhere you like. So that's really nice. Then we have Art, which I love, Diamond Art Club. We'll have a look at them in a minute. Actually, I'm going to get this out and just leave it for a second. I always like to get them out, just have a little breather. Just have a little breather. Just so it can just sit quiet. Oh look, we've got somebody's hair. I don't know whether that was mine flying off or somebody else's, but it won't hurt you. So right, we'll just leave that. That's your drills. This is your step-by-step instruction. Start creating your masterpiece today. And it literally goes through it step by step. So if you've never, ever done one, then this is the one to do. And then it also gives you 10% off your next purchase. And it gives you some tips and tricks on how to use your multi-places and things like that. So it's always useful if this is your first one. Right. And this is what you get. You get baggies in case you want to use baggies to bag them up. So you've got everything you need here just to start off the bat. You don't need any fancy things. Everything you've got here, you can start. You can even do it out of these bags, but like people say, oh, you can't, but you can, and I'll tell you out after if I remember. So you've got your diamond painting pen, because when I first started, I didn't even have these little baggies. I had nothing, just the kit, and I'll show you what I did. So I've got to show you how to do this. Right, if you've got no bags, okay, all you need to do, say it was that bag, that's the one you're using. Even if you use a full bag, just slice the corner off there. We've used it, and me, Jessie, just when we first had it. Just slice the corner, just a bit off the corner like that, and then get yourself a dish or anything that you can stand them up like that, a mug, whatever, and then you just stand them up. So you would stand them all up like that, with just the corners cut off. And we've done it, haven't we? You've done it, Millie's done it, I've done it, and that's all you need. So you literally do not need to have bags, things. It makes it easier if you do, but if you want to start straight off, don't be frightened. Just cut off a corner, put it in the tray, and then pour it back in the tray after. Okay? And I'll try, I forgot to put this in the video, so I'm going to try and slot it in somewhere. Okay? I've got the pen, a squidgy. My favourite red wax. I love my hearts. I'm being Valentine yesterday, quite appropriate. 2 little love hearts. Then what placer have we got there? So we've got the single placer. Is that the 4 placer? Yeah, 4 placer, which is my favourite. And I love these little trays as well to pour back into your bags when you've done. And I'll show you. So we'll have a look at that in a minute, the diamonds. Should we turn it over? I might do a bit of fluff. This is just soft, like a baby's bum. Oh my gosh, look. I'm not going to get it all in view, but it goes from there to there. I don't know if I can come up any further. There you go. That's near enough. Got it in view. So we have 39 colours, and it's got an inventory up there and also one down one there. I love it when they put it on both sides, and one at the top and one at the bottom, because sometimes I use an A2 easel and I hang it over the back of the easels. So if it's only got one chart, then I usually photocopy that bit or write it down. But if it's got it on both sides, one top or bottom, no matter how you do it, you will always find one chart to look at, which is great. Look at the sparkle. Can you see the sparkle in here? Oh my gosh. It's just glimmering already, and it hasn't even got one drill on yet. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I can't wait. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll bring you up. I'll take this off. It is poured blue, and these are always thicker on Diamond Art Club than you find on a lot of the cheaper sites as well. So you just literally peel it off. Hang on, that's my dad. It wasn't my dad, but it was to do with my mum. It's usually mum or dad, something's happening. Anyway, let's go back. Right, where were we? Yes, let me show you the drill field. That's what I was going to do. Look at that. Can you see how crystal clear that is? And that. Oop. And that you've got a vast array of colours there as well. And you can see it crystal clear. And I can't see any symbols. If I take you up and down the symbol list, start it there, that is going to hold us up. sometimes when you do the arrows, but it looks like the arrows they put in different colours, and that helps immensely, because usually it's that one, and you get them all in different directions on some kits. Same colour but in different directions, but it looks like nope, nothing on there. Right, should we measure it? Should we measure it? Yeah, we shall, shan't we? Right, it says, how big does it say it is? It says it is 74 by 55. Right, I'm going to put that on there. So I'll do it up there so you can see. Right, on there. And it's just a couple of mil under 74. And oops, that one is a couple of mil under 55. So, and you can give them 4 or 5 mil, I think, on a picture like this. But isn't it good? Look at the colours in it. I'm just so made up that I've actually got one. I got a Mandy Mandala one, and 2 it's Diamond Art Club, and 3 it's Gemini, like me. I don't know which one I want to be though. I like both hair colours. Do I want to be the tealy colour or do I want to be the red fiery one? I say I'm the teal one, but Grant would probably say I'm the fiery one. I am both. And also they put the code on here for the canvas, which you can find, where is it on this one? Is it down the bottom? There. See? So if you want to keep your canvases and your diamonds separate, you've got the code on there and the code on there. There, see, 059 AB4. So you haven't got to worry that if you put these in with all the rest of your drills, you'll be able to find it and know which it belongs to. Right, shall we have a look? Where's the opening? There. Sorry for the crinkling, shut your ears. If you don't like it, if you like it, turn the volume up. I like the crinkling because I always think it reminds me that you're getting something new. Wow, there's some diamonds in there, boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, look at all these diamonds. That's a stack. Look at all them colours. Should we have a look? Right. Right, where are we going to go? Oh my god, 3 10s. I looked at this, I didn't think there was many 3 10s, but there's 1 bag, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 3 10s. 6 bags of 3 10s. 9 7/7s. These are some browns and terracottas, 301. 3 865, the whites. Look how shiny they are though. Can you see how shiny? 2 bags of them. Ooh, tealy colour, look. 992. Some more browns. 976, 400. 3855. Ooh, lighty greens these are. 993. Ooh, that's a nice green grass. Green. 3814. That's like a peachy orange. 3854. 720 orange. That's like a lighty bluey green. 598. Do you like the way I describe the colours? Brown. 3826. Ooh, that's a bright orangey. 741. Ooh, that's like a mossy green. 991. 742. That's like a sunflower orange. 3811. Baby blue. Look, AB. It's the yellow AB, look. Wow, 129. What symbol is 129? It's a number 1. Oh, it's down here, look. All on these bits here. Outlining. Right, what else we got? We got 898 brown. 647. That's like a muddy sort of grey green. Ooh, that's a really deep green. 890. Another like powdery blue. 775. That's like a terracotta red. 900. Another deep green. 699. That's like a light orange. 743. Ooh, that's a beautiful purple. 327. A couple of shades lighter than the 550s, I think. 3850. That's like a reddy burgundy sort of colour, I suppose. 3011. That's like an olive green. This is like a peachy colour, 3864. Light grey, 762. They're the colour, see? 55. There's my 550s that we like, see? 327, a few shades lighter. Everybody likes a 550. 312, that's a nice blue. 823s. 939s. Oh, another lilac-y purple, 28. 915. Burgundy colour. Oh, that's like a nice blue, that is, isn't it? 3755, and that's like a greeny brown, 645. So we have some amazing colours. Shall I? Oh, I haven't told you the price, have I? Do that out there so you can look at it. What was the price of this? It was $51.99, which works out about £38, somewhere around there. But don't forget now, we have to pay tax on when you order as well, 20% tax. So I think because I ordered the pen, the bubblegum spaniel and the Gemini canvas together, I had how much was that? 50, 60, 70, 86, 87, about $88, something like that. And then I had to have shipping and tax, and then I think I had a coupon offer. No, free international shopping. No, I tell a lie. If you order over $75, I had my first ever free shipping, which was over, because I ordered over $75, and the whole lot came to $96 with tax, which was $16.05. So I was dead chuffed. Dead chuffed. And it came in about less than 2 weeks, which I thought was brilliant. So this is what I'm going to be doing for my Anything Mermaid Along, which starts on the 1st of March. If you don't know what it's about, I'll put the eye up above again in this video. I'm going to put it in every video so people know about it. Please come and join me. Anything mermaid involved, any craft, doesn't matter what craft it is. Just go over to the video, enter it in the form, on the entry form, just say I'm colouring, I'm diamond painting, what you're doing. And then also from there you can join the Facebook group called Mermaid Crafts, so I can keep an eye on what you're doing and whether you're doing 1, 2, 3 or 4, and there's a little tiny prize at the end of it. So with that said, I'm going to love you and leave you because my stomach is rumbling like heck, because they feed me now. So I'm going to, I might put this out on a trouser hanger if I can find one, or I might kit it up ready, because it's not far, it's 2 weeks away, isn't it? So if I've got 39, so if I have 2 tubs of Harbour Freight, that would be more than enough. So if I speak kindly to Jessie that I can use hers, that would be good, wouldn't it? Anyway, I'm rambling now. So thank you for stopping by. If you're not subscribed and you fancy staying, little button down below that, and by the side of it there's a notification which lets you know when I go live, which is on a Sunday, and when I put videos up, which is a couple of times a week. Love to have you on board. Also, my Happy Mail form is down below. Sometimes I give out prizes and things, and I've got to have your name and address first. My Patreon link is also down there, which is insight into my channel, and you get exclusive footage and chat and different things on that, and that will explain, if you go onto there, how that works. Also my social media, if you want to have a chat or send me a picture of what you're doing, I love to receive them, or just simply leave me a comment underneath. I always answer my comments. I love to have a chat. So with that said, take care, look after yourselves, and most importantly, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.